So hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to Screen Technicals. Today in this video we are going to create our orders model, right? And in the previous video we have seen that how can we fetch the data from our pizza model to our, you can say, template, right? And we have, using the for loop, we have just fetch all these things, right? And one thing we have to fix, that this price thing. So let's quickly do that, right? So I'm just going to just select this one, the curly braces, remove this right here. Pizza dot, it is pizza underscore price. Okay, save this thing and just refresh this, and you're going to see your you can say the pizza price at this point, right? Now let's quickly create, you can say, our orders model, right? So for that I'm going to open up my models.py at this point, right? And here I'm going to create a class of orders, right? And I'm going to give it a model, right? We have to pass this thing according to our syntax, right? And then I'm going to copy these things, right? This everything, right? Because I will be needing that at this point. Now because our orders will, you can say, inherit all those things from our pizza, right? You can use the many to many field, right? But I'm not using that because that is going to create some more problem with this pizza price, right? So because we are not dealing with this, actually we are going to deal with this, right? Because I want to change and update this thing, not this thing. This should be constant, because the price of the pizza for a particular pizza, right, will be, let's say, is 1.2, so it will be 1.2 always, right? And I want to, when I'm just implementing, I will be implementing that in the orders model, not in my pizza model, right? And I want to inherit, you can say, my you can say I want to inherit my user. So because we want the user, right? I want to fetch that user. I want to fetch that user who is actually ordering, right? Means the user who has given the order. So I want that user, right? So I'm going to write here user equals to, it will be models dot foreign key, right? So using foreign key we can inherit our user model, right? So right here user, and on delete it will be models dot cascade, right? So what does this on delete is going to do? If I'm deleting my user, then it is going to delete the orders of that particular user. So this is the use of this on delete models dot cascade, right? Now we have to import our user. So I'm going to write here from Django dot contrib dot auth dot models, right? Import user. Save this, right? And at this point two things more we need. That is, one is, you can say, that is the order underscore is conformed, right? Or you can say the order underscore conformed, just like this. So it will be actually a boolean field. Okay, it is conformed, to make it as n, right? Now it will be models dot boolean field, right? And the default value of this, okay, the default value of this will be false, because at the initial stage I want my order to be at the false, and if the user, you can say, clicks on that button, that is the confirm order button, then it will become true, right? Now after that, one more thing I need, that is the quantity, and this will be obviously an integer field, so it will be models dot integer field, right? And by default it will be equals to 1, okay, 1, just like that, right? And obviously I'm going to use the def function, that is def underscore str, just like this, and I'm going to show the pizza name, pizza underscore name at this point. Save this thing. Now this is pretty much simple. Actually I just you can say I just created the pizza name. The three fields are similar to our pizza fields, right? And we have added, you can say, the three extra fields, that is the user, the order confirm, and the quantity, right? Now this foreign key helps us to, you can say, inherit our user models, right? And if I'm going to delete my user, then the particular user related to that you can say the particular order related to that user is also going to be deleted, right? So this is pretty much simple, right? And I'm going to open up the admin.py and going to register my, you can say, orders at this point, right? And then just give the import the orders, right? Save this. Now I'm going to, you can say, make the migrations. So open up the terminal, right? Control C. Right here, python manage.py. It will be make migrations. Hit enter. And then we are going to migrate. Okay, migrate, hit enter. Okay, run the server again, right? And just open up the, just go to your admin.py site and just refresh it, right? And you can see this, find these orders, right? So at this point I can create, you can say, my orders. So you can see this pizza name, this pizza description, the pizza price. I can fill up the user just like this. You can see we have one is the super user and we have two users, that is Ben10 and this Django123, and by default the quantity is 1. And you can see this checkbox, this is actually the boolean print. By default it is false. If it is true, then it will be just like this. This tick mark will be there, right? So I'm not going to create the orders manually. It will be created from, you can say, from this page, from the menu page, right? So in the next video we're going to see how can we do that. We can just we're going to create the logic for that. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you next time in another video.